I bought this. Oh, freaking! It only costs like 50 cents. Like a rock with a smiley face. Like I'm gonna call this Bobby. I'm just kidding. It's not Bobby. Let me know in the comment down section below what I should call this little tiny thing. What's up?
Put this on your Cringe YouTube channel.
Cringe Fest 2018.
Cringe Festival.
Welcome to the Cringe YouTube channel. You mamas ever made Dabin Tomatoes, y'all. People coming in, okay?
God, they comment
Cheers. Shout out to Theo. Am I allowed to say your name?
Yeah.
Theo, am I allowed to say your name?
Yeah.
Ari. Shout out to them.
I don't have the YouTube channel. But
Everyone's going in, so bye. Hey guys. I'm Max. He's friend. Bye. It's raining in this expedition thing.
it's a rainbow.
Yup. It's raining in the expedition thingy. It's not really shown on camera.
Hey, you can still.
Oh, are you allowed to be on YouTube? Sure. Okay, this is Max, my friend. Okay.
Like, stop blinding.
Oh my god, it's raining.
Show me so many people.
Look at this! A cupcake! What's up, my people? We're probably just going to edit the part where I do that.
Oh, okay.
Big time.
Let's go.
No, I need to add some more gold coins. Where the hell is that?
let's go.
I haven't even learned. Any
Rip.
balloons? No.
Alrighty guys, so we're leaving right now. It's 5:20. It actually finishes at 6, but like, look, it's turning into nighttime, right? and we don't have a car. We gotta catch the bus. But I bought this. Oh freaking! It only costs like 50 cents. Like a rock with a smiley face. Like I'm gonna call this Bobby. I'm just kidding. It's not Bobby. Let me know in the comment down section below what I should call this little tiny thing. But yeah, that's our passion project expedition. We might have one. We're definitely gonna have another one next term, I think. I don't know. For our new passion project selection. And as you guys know, I am in Zine magazine. Duh. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button in the Facebook bar. So please leave a like and subscribe. And hope you guys enjoyed. I wasn't gonna record because it's hard. There's gonna be so much people, and I need to ask their permission if I can use them and stuff. You know the deal. Hey guys, peace.